Automated web scraping and crawling are crucial for gathering and analyzing data from websites at scale. However, anti-bot technologies like CAPTCHAs have made automated web access more challenging. Many websites often load CAPTCHAs or block screens as a security measure. If your automated scraper can somehow appear human to the target website, likely the site will not load a CAPTCHA or block screen. But how can a scraper appear human to the websites? Let's find out in this tutorial. To access content from the protected websites, you need to figure out how to prevent CAPTCHA from loading. Puppeteer can help us here. It is a Node.js library that provides a user-friendly API for managing Chrome and Chromium via the DevTools protocol. You can configure Puppeteer to operate in full Chromium mode instead of the default headless mode. What happens when you try automated access to a CAPTCHA-protected website using Puppeteer alone? The target website detects that the access is automated and shows you a block screen or a CAPTCHA test. Let's validate it using the following steps. You must have Node.js installed on your system. Create a new Node.js project and install Puppeteer using the following npm command. Import the Puppeteer library in your Node.js file. Create a new browser instance in headless mode and a new page using the following code. Since we need to take the screenshot on the desktop device, we can set the viewport size using the following code. The setViewPort method sets the size of the web page. You can change it according to your device requirements. After that, navigate to a page URL that you think is a CAPTCHA-protected page and take a screenshot. For demonstration purposes, the code uses Oxylabs scraping sandbox. You can find the link to it in the video description. Remember to close the browser object at the end. And this is what the complete code looks like. If you see a block screen or a CAPTCHA, it means the website has detected the traffic from a programmatically controlled browser. Thereby, it blocked access. You can enhance the capabilities of Puppeteer by installing the Stealth extension with it. The Stealth plugin has a range of features to tackle most of the methods implemented by protected websites to detect the automated accesses. Stealth can make your Puppeteer's automated headless accesses so human that many websites won't be able to detect the difference. Thus, stealth-based accesses prevent CAPTCHA from loading on these websites. Please note that all the bypassing methods showcased in this tutorial are intended for educational purposes only. Here is the step-by-step procedure to implement this CAPTCHA bypass. To start, you need to install the Puppeteer Extra and Puppeteer Extra plugin stealth packages. After that, import the following required libraries in your Node.js file. The next step is to create the browser object in headless mode. Navigate to the URL and take a screenshot. The setUserAgent method makes our requests imitate a real browser's user agent, making our automated headless browsers appear more like regular users. Setting one of the common user agent strings helps evade detection and bypass anti-bot mechanisms that analyze the user agent header. Here is what our complete script looks like. Now, if your screenshot shows the actual content of the website, congratulations, your scraper made it to avoid CAPTCHA from loading. But unfortunately, stealth can still fail at some websites that use more sophisticated antibots. Luckily, we have another simpler, scalable, and robust alternative, Web Unblocker, and its built-in feature, Headless Browser. Web Unblocker uses AI to help users prevent CAPTCHA and gain access to public data from websites with advanced antibots implemented. It supports proxy management, automatic generation of browser fingerprints, automatic retries, session maintenance, and JavaScript rendering to control various scraping processes. Check this integration tutorial to learn how to use a proxy in Puppeteer. As usual, the link is in the description. To begin, you can send a basic query without any special options. Web Unblocker will select the fastest CAPTCHA proxy, add all necessary headers, and provide you with the response body. Using Web Unblocker with Node.js is easy. Just follow these steps. Install the Node fetch and HTTPS proxy agent using the following command. Sign up to Oxylabs through the dashboard and get your credentials for using the API. Before importing the libraries, open the package.json file and enter these lines, type module for example. Since the newest version of Node Fetch is an ESM-only module, you can't import it using the require function. Learn more about it by following the link below. Next, import the required modules in your JS file using the import from syntax. The FS library can help save the response in an HTML file. Provide your user credentials and set up a proxy using HTTPS proxy agent. Next, set the URL and issue a fetch request. The environment variable NodeTLS reject unauthorized is set to 0 so that Node.js doesn't verify the SSL TLS certificates. This is a required setting if you are using Oxylabs Web Unblocker. In the end, you can convert the response into text and save it in an HTML file. And here's the complete script. Thanks to Web Unblocker, you can avoid CAPTCHA from loading and bypass the advanced security obstacles of websites to get your scraping tasks fulfilled. All in all, CAPTCHA challenges can impede web automation efforts, but with the help of Puppeteer-stealth and Oxylabs Web Unblocker, you can bypass CAPTCHAs and make your automation process smooth and obstacle-free. Secure a 1-week free trial on our dashboard and check how it works on your own. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave any comments and questions below.